What's the method to delete TikTok videos one by one or with a single click? If you also want to delete your TikTok videos, then watch this video till the end, because in this video, I'll show you 4 different methods to completely delete your TikTok videos. I'll also explain how to delete them one by one and using a single click. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the video. First, open your TikTok application. Once the app is open, tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner of the screen. As soon as you tap profile, your profile will open. Let's talk about the first method. In this method, open the video you want to delete. So here, I'm opening one of my videos. Once the video is open, you'll see a 3 dots icon on the right side of the screen. Tap on it. After that, scroll the menu to the left. You'll then see a delete option. Tap on delete. Now you'll see another red delete button. Tap it again. And just like that, your video will be completely deleted. This is how you can delete all your videos one by one. Now, let's move on to the second method. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. You'll now see the Settings and Privacy page of your TikTok account. Tap on the Privacy option. Once you do that, you'll see the Private Account option. Turn this option on. Now your account is private, and no one else can see your videos. This way, you can keep your account private, and your videos will also become private. If you don't want to keep your account private, then go back and tap Privacy again. Scroll down and tap on Switch to make your account public again. Let's talk about the third method. Go back to Settings. Now look for the Activity Center option and tap on it. Once you're in the Activity Center, scroll down a bit. You'll see an option called Manage Post Visibility. Tap on it. Now, you'll see all of your videos here. Select all the videos you want to manage. Then tap on Next. Now you can set the visibility of your posts. You'll see 3 options here. Everyone, anyone can view your videos. Friends, only your friends can see your videos. Only me, only you can see the videos, no one else. If you select Only Me, your videos will be hidden from everyone except you. So here I'm selecting Only Me. Then tap on Update at the bottom of the screen. Now your videos have been hidden, and only you can view them. Now let's talk about the fourth method. Go back to Settings, then scroll down. Here you'll find the Report a Problem option. Tap on it. Once you tap it, more options will appear. Scroll down again. Now you'll see the Report option. Tap on it.
After that, tap on Report a Video. You'll now see 2 options, Yes and No. Select No. Then you'll see a Need More Help option. Tap on that. Now you can chat directly with TikTok's support team to request the deletion of your videos. Here, I'm typing a message to the TikTok team, and then I'll tap the Send button. As you can see, I've already received a reply from TikTok. This is how you can chat with the TikTok team to delete your videos. Now I'll go back to my profile. So, this is how you can delete or hide your TikTok videos. Unfortunately, TikTok does not provide any official feature to delete all your videos at once. But by following these 4 methods, you can delete or hide your videos or make them private. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.